Look how caring cats can be. They don't know this is a cake. To them, it looks like one of their own. As the owner starts cutting it, reactions begin to change. Some cats become aggressive, clearly trying to protect it. Others look genuinely sad, and a few look completely heartbroken. What you're seeing isn't hunger, it's confusion, instinct, and attachment. Cats may act independent, but moments like this show how emotionally complex they really are. So tell me, which reaction surprised you the most?